Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the hidden stories within company filings and maybe find a few skeletons in the corporate closet. Today we are diving into Jazz Pharmaceuticals PLC and their latest report. Stick around because there is some interesting news about a new drug trial that could be a game changer. Alright, so the big news from Jazz Pharmaceuticals PLC today is about their drug trial for a cancer treatment called Ziihera. This is a phase 3 trial, which is the last big test before a drug can potentially get approved for more widespread use. This trial is specifically looking at Ziihera for a type of stomach cancer called HER2-positive locally advanced or metastatic gastroesophageal adenocarcinoma. Now, Ziihera is Jazz Pharmaceuticals' experimental drug, and it was tested not just on its own, but also combined with chemotherapy, and possibly with another drug that helps your immune system fight cancer called a checkpoint inhibitor. They are testing this as a first. Line treatment meaning for patients who are just starting treatment for this advanced stage of stomach cancer. And the big announcement is positive top-line results. Top-line results are basically the first look at the main findings of the trial. It does not mean the drug is approved yet, but it means the trial met its main goals, and showed promise, which is always a good sign for a company like Jazz Pharmaceuticals. This specific trial is called Horizon GA-01. So what does this mean for Jazz Pharmaceuticals? If these positive results continue to hold up through further analysis and regulatory review, it could mean a significant new treatment option for patients with this aggressive form of stomach cancer. This could also mean a major revenue stream for Jazz Pharmaceuticals if the drug gets approved and is widely adopted by doctors. Looking at the company itself, Jazz Pharmaceuticals PLC is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing innovative medicines. Their stock trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker Jazz. A successful drug trial for a major indication like this stomach cancer could really boost their stock performance and their standing in the industry. The company also filed an exhibit with this report, which is a press release about these trial results. We are not going to go into every single detail of that press release today, but the fact that they are filing it with the CC right away tells you how important they think this news is. So to wrap up this filing from Jazz Pharmaceuticals PLC is really all about good news from a critical clinical trial. The positive top-line results for Ziihera in stomach cancer are a very encouraging sign for the company and for patients who could benefit from this potential new therapy. While it is still early days and regulatory approval is a long road, the momentum here is definitely positive. Now, looking at this filing in a broader sense, Jazz Pharmaceuticals is playing a high-stakes game in the pharmaceutical world. Developing new drugs is incredibly expensive and risky. A single failure can cost billions and set a company back years. But a success, especially in a broad indication like a common type of cancer treatment, can be transformative. This positive trial result for Ziihera is exactly the kind of news companies like Jazz Pharmaceuticals need to thrive. It signals strong execution of their research and development strategy and offers a glimpse into their future growth potential. We will be watching closely to see if these results translate into regulatory approval and ultimately into a successful commercial product that benefits patients. Alright, that is our quick dive into Jazz Pharmaceuticals PLC's latest report. What is your take on these trial results? Do you think Ziihera has a good shot at approval and becoming a major player? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. Also, don't miss out on our Discord community, linked in the description below, where we discuss these filings and more. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time on Corporate Decoder.